Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to format Google Docs for a novel. First, let's prepare your document's basic structure for optimal readability and a professional appearance. Set your page size to a common book dimension, like 6 inches by 9 inches, and establish 1-inch margins all around. For the body text, select a clear, serif font such as Times New Roman or Georgia, using a comfortable 12-point size. These initial steps create a solid foundation for your manuscript. To organize your novel effectively, use page breaks to separate chapters. This ensures each new chapter always begins cleanly on its own page, which is crucial for formatting. Within chapters, employ clear scene breaks to signal transitions for your readers. A common approach is using 3 centered asterisks or a distinct symbol, ensuring consistent spacing around these markers. This practice helps maintain a smooth narrative flow. Consistent formatting across your novel enhances readability and professionalism. Utilize Google Docs heading styles, assigning heading 1 to all your chapter titles, then customize them to reflect your chosen font and size. It is also important to maintain a standard first line indent for every paragraph, typically set to 1/2 inch. This traditional spacing makes your text visually appealing and easy to follow. Once your novel is fully formatted, the next crucial step is saving your work properly. Export your document as a PDF file to preserve all your carefully chosen fonts and layouts, ensuring it looks exactly as intended. Before considering it complete, conduct a thorough final proofread of your entire manuscript. Reading your work aloud, or even using a text-to-speech tool, can help you catch those elusive errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.